we are EOSphere. We have a proxy called GoodGuys for Telos. And this is the place where you can find out more about block producers on the Telos network.
What was the origin story for you guys? How did you come to be on Telos?
So back in May of last year, me and Jesse actually connected through Reddit of all places and decided to collaborate and start learning. That was back in the dawn days of the EOS code. And so we were familiarizing ourselves with the code base, kind of helping each other develop like small scale, like smart contracts. And then we decided to work on an actual dApp. And then from that, we kind of organically realized that we were totally capable of actually becoming a block producer ourselves. And around the time we were floating that around is when we started getting wind of Telos and started getting involved with that community.
I think Don and I both played around with Solidity, and I think there's a natural progression towards EOS when you start thinking. At least for one of the ideas I had. Was just something that wouldn't scale on per transaction fee type chain. So that's why I came to EOS, and I was like, let me find somebody else who's in my time zone, like-minded, that we could work together. So
awesome. So with regards to the team, just looking at your website, it looks like it's you two. Is that right? Are there any sort of people hiding anywhere else, or it's you two at the moment?
For now, it's just us two. We're probably going to be bringing on one more developer when we start cranking out more dApps in the future. But for now, it's just us, and it's been us since the beginning. Yeah.
Cool. Could one of you tell us about your tech and sort of how where your nodes are and how things are operating, or how you plan to have them operating in the future?
Sure. Yeah. So all of our nodes are in California, in San Jose, Silicon Valley, the heart of, at least for the California area. In the United States, there's a lot of networks that come into that area. So that's where we're at. All bare metal servers and managed by us. We're working on, we have a contract we're working on to get our own rack and, really own our hardware and have full control. So that's on the horizon. We'll definitely be sharing all the details once we get that going. We're excited about it. Don has some gear. He's a bit closer to San Jose, so he's got some gear, probably sitting right next to him that, we're getting ready to put in there. So,
and you guys were involved in the launch, right?
Yeah. So we, like Don said, we were, I think in the first couple weeks when Telos first kind of became a public thing, we were like, this is an opportunity for us. When Dawn was happening before the launch of EOS, we were very focused on building apps. We were kind of tracking the changes in Dawn 3 and now Dawn 4, and, just getting ready, trying to get an app to launch. We had something we were working on, and the RAM prices kind of salted us a little bit. And then when Telos came along, I said, well, we can run nodes. We've been running nodes. We know the software real well. So we got involved early and worked with the team. We were on the Telos launch group, all the calls, doing everything. And I got involved. So that, the launch group was organized into different working groups. I got involved in the network maintenance team. I did help a little bit with development, but mostly focused on just the test net, just getting ready to launch. And then I actually wrote the script that was used to launch the network. So we had it fully automated. We launched that network 20, 50, I don't know how many times. A lot of different people did it too. So, yeah, I wrote that script and got it all automated to inject all the accounts, and it's kind of fun to get it to run under 20 minutes, I think.
Sounds like a pretty amazing experience.
It was very, educational, for me, and exciting just to get involved and watch it actually happen. And here we are, like a good almost month in, and so.
All right, cool. Well, that's a good segue into, I guess, what's next for you guys? What are your plans? What are you thinking? What's coming up?
So we have one DApp that we plan on releasing pretty soon. It was actually the original project that me and Jesse started working on, and it's more of just a fun app that we plan on launching on the Telos network, more as a gift to the community. It'll be free to use, and it'll be more of like a fun DApp to get the community involved and start using some of that CPU.
Cool.
And then right behind that, we have a couple more dApps that we'll definitely be sharing more news about that are in the pipeline that we hope to be cranking out right after that's released. So we're looking forward to it. Yeah.
Awesome. So with the closest dApp to launch, how soon will token holders sort of get to have a sneak peek or any sort of information, or is there already information out there?
Nothing's public yet. We have a few people that have been like testing it and playing around on it. But we hope to like have some news like this coming week.
We're definitely excited to, start seeing more and more transactions going on Telos, and, excited to really start seeing these apps that people are working on, and some of them already launched, really start getting used. And, we're always around, people have ideas, suggestions, things they want to collaborate on. We're all ears. We're all about, this whole EOSIO community and getting things going.
So what channels are the best? What are the best ways for people to find you, get in touch?
So the best ways are probably right now, we're active on Telegram. Either you can find both me and Jesse individually on Telegram. We also have our own channel on there that isn't super active at the moment, but we always respond immediately if anyone wants to pop in, say hello, join our group. We also have a Medium blog that you can check out. We only have a few articles on there regarding like earlier launch announcements and things like that we'll start to be updating more regularly. We just started a YouTube channel. We have one video on there now about how to install and use scatter to access your Telos and also vote for proxies and those sorts of things. So we plan on adding more videos there as that we see them necessary. But yeah, and then you can also like email us directly, visit our website at CALEOS.io, and our contact information's on there as well.
That sort of wraps it up. That's a nice little update from you guys. I've definitely learnt more about CALEOS. And yeah, look forward to seeing what's coming out soon.
Good stuff.
We're excited to get it out there and start playing with it.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.